In this video, we're going to take a look at this NiceyRig Rosette to Nato Clamp adapter. This is really cool because it allows you to use a Rosette rotating handle with a Nato rail. You can mount a Nato rail to the side or the top of your camera, and they're really cool because they have these safety pins that allow you to slide the rail on without it falling off, and then you can just tighten it like that. Normally for Rosette you have one of these big adapters on the side of your camera that you can only use for Rosette accessories, and they also have to be bolted into the side of your camera. Then every time you want to take a handle off, you have to completely unscrew it from the side of your camera cage. A lot of camera accessory manufacturers have these Nato rails. Here's a standard size small rig one. On the side of my cage I have a low profile one. There's the comparison of the two. So the low profile one takes up a lot less space and makes it a lot sleeker when you're not using the side handle. To use the adapter clamp, you put it on one of the pins and then you just tighten it in place where you want it. Then take your Rosette handle and you can screw it on the side. Very solid. I notice no play at all. One of the best things about the Rosette handles is that you can rotate it, and this Nato clamp allows you to retain that functionality while also giving you a quick way to remove or add the handle back on. I like the safety pins on these so a handle can't fall off if it's not fully tightened. These Rosette to Nato adapters are fantastic, and I have links to all the parts used in this camera rig in the description below.